Hi everyone, join me as I show you how we made this cake with 3D edible topper. It's a Roblox themed cake, so first off, we're gonna make her character. I usually make the most complicated part first, which is the head. The eye detail is very important, maunang focus kay ko anang dapita. And our client is very special, that's why this cake is very special to us. We have been baking her cake since she was still 1. Now she is already 9 years old. Now going back to the cake, I am using a very small brush to paint the details of the eye. It is important na fix na kung asa nimo i-paint ang detail because once your brush touches your fondant, that's already it. Because if you try to erase it, it will leave a stain to your fondant and it would be very messy to look at. So on this part, I am using a black edible coloring to paint the eyebrows. If you are like me who likes to put on makeup, this is really fun. Okay, it's like doing your makeup lang. There are tiny details that you wouldn't wanna miss when you're making a topper. Like this teeny tiny dot na murag wala ra siya, but I think it will add up to the overall look of the topper. To our clients, we often ask them if they wanted a customized topper, a printed one, or just fake toppers. Daghan kay itang options. We are often asked why 3D toppers are expensive. So this is the reason. Time. Very time consuming mag-make og topper. Most times, trial and error pagid na. There are times you hit, there are times you missed. So you have to do it again if you don't like the outcome. Not mentioning the cost of each topper, but you're also paying for the time, effort, and the heart that is put into creating something that would somehow fit your liking. I am so sure na makarelate ang other bakers that sometimes we go above and beyond just to create a beautiful masterpiece. It is true what they say that this is not only just a cake, this is a heart baked close to perfection. So this time, let's assemble the cake. I have already made these toppers way ahead of time. The cakesicles, fondant formed into a macaroon and a candy, some edible chocolates, non-edible balls, which I added. If clients would want an edible balls, we also have that option. But because of the heat, the weather today, we opted for this non-edible ones. A little bit of dragées to finish the look. And now we're done! This is the outcome of our edible topper with all the decorations added. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I had fun doing it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment.
Lunch break.